Hello children, hope you are doing great. I'm here to teach you a new English topic, that is describing words. Describing words are also known as adjectives. So what are describing words? Let's see that first. Describing words are words that describe. Describe means they tell us something more about the naming words and pronouns. Let's see one beautiful example. You can see this red car. So what type of a car it is? Red. That is a fast car. So what is car here? Car is a naming word, and what type of a car it is? You can say fast car, red car, old car. All these words are telling us about the car. Let's see some more example. Fat cat. So what type of a cat it is? Fat cat. You can write orange cat, pet cat, anything. Tall man. So tall is a describing word here. Pink dress. So what is pink? Pink is a describing word. 2 kittens. So how many kittens are there? 2. Describing word can also be a number. So a describing word describes a noun. So describing words are colors like brown boxes. What type of boxes are those? Brown. Blue sky. What type of a sky it is? Blue. Green apples. What type of apples are these? Green. So these colors are telling us more about these naming words. Describing words can also be shapes, round, containers. What type of containers are these? Round. So round is a describing word. A square room. Square is also a describing word. Describing words are also sizes like small egg, tiny egg, huge gorilla. Describing words are conditions like angry man, energetic dog, silly behavior. All these words are also describing words. Now let's see some more examples. Here you can say it is there, the boy ran down the street. Now boy is a naming word. We can add a describing word. You can add any describing word. I have added the naughty boy. What type of a boy ran down the street? Naughty boy. I put on my jumper. Jumper is a naming word. So we can add a describing word to the word jumper. I put on my soft jumper, big jumper, blue jumper. All these words are describing words. And you can see this dog here. You can describe this dog also. You can describe, I saw the black dog chased me. The angry dog chased me. Okay, so the words large, angry are what? They are describing words because they are describing. They are telling us something more about the dog. Now this is spot the adjective. I'll show you a short story, and we are going to spot means we are going to identify the describing words here. It was a beautiful day. What type of a day it was? Beautiful. So beautiful is a describing word. And Anna walked fast. How did she walk? She walked fast with a big smile. What type of a smile did she have? Big. As she headed down to her grandfather's farm. As she enters the tall gate. How was the gate? Tall. And tall is a describing word. Of the farm. She saw a goat with curly tail. How was the tail? Curly. A pretty cow. And how was the cow? Pretty. A fat pig. How was the pig? Fat. A fluffy sheep. A fluffy sheep and a hungry rooster. So the words curly, pretty, fat, fluffy, hungry are what? They are all describing words because they are telling us something more about these animals. She also saw a river with clear water. How was the water? Clear, and a colorful fish. She runs as fast as she can to her grandfather's old nipa hut. She greeted her grandfather, took his hand and kissed it. She told her grandfather that when the school days are over, she will be going to spend her vacation in the farm. So, we have learned about describing words. Hope you've enjoyed the session. Thank you, dear children.